11. Frittata. To make an omelette, you will need the following ingredients: 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Optionally, you can also add ingredients such as chopped onions, peppers, mushrooms or other vegetables, grated cheese or diced ham. Here's how to proceed. Beat the eggs in a bowl with the salt and pepper. Add any optional ingredients of your choice, such as chopped greens or grated cheese. Mix well. Heat the olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. When the oil is hot, pour the egg mixture into the pan and cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes, or until a golden crust has formed on the surface. Use a spatula to peel the edges of the omelette away from the pan and then tilt the pan so the egg mixture slides down, covering the surface of the pan. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the omelette is cooked through to your taste. Use the spatula to lift the frittata from the pan and then flip it onto a plate. Serve hot. Tip: if you want your omelette to be even fluffier, you can add a little milk or cream to the egg mixture before cooking. Here are some tips to prepare a perfect omelette. Use fresh eggs. Fresh eggs have fluffier egg whites and can make your omelette fluffier. Beat eggs well. Beating eggs helps incorporate air into the batter, making the omelette lighter and fluffier. Choose a suitable pan. It is important to use a good quality non-stick pan to prevent the omelette from sticking or breaking during cooking. Don't cook too high. Cooking on medium-low heat helps keep the omelette from burning or becoming too dry. Don't turn the omelette too often. Let the omelette cook for about 5 minutes before turning it, so that a nice golden crust forms on the surface. Add ingredients to your taste. You can customize your omelette by adding ingredients such as chopped vegetables, grated cheese or diced ham. Experiment to find the combination you prefer.